down the road and headed to Bonneville Salt Flats. About a 2-hour drive to the Bonneville Salt Flats, and I'm sure I'll pick up more bugs, but let's see how we do. I got all these last night when we went to the lake. Greetings everybody, we're at the Bonneville Salt Flats and we're working on some fun pictures and just driving around. It's so cool out here, not literally, figuratively. And here, just have a look at what we're trying to do. So the Bonneville Salt Flats is about 30,000 acre field of salt. There used to be a lake a third of the size of Utah and just about as big as Lake Michigan. When it dried out, it left the salt crustaceans. And here, listen to how Luke and Mom enjoyed their day and what they did.
I flew the drone at the salt flat.
And I got to drive on the salt flats.
Pretty exciting, huh?
Yes, it was fun.
Getting caught up in the construction lasted about 30 minutes, and then one gas station was closed. Then I had to backtrack and found this awesome little open old school gas station in Eureka, Utah. Old buildings. So appreciate the business, and hopefully I'm not coming back through here. Well, we finally made it. Luke, did you enjoy that long drive?
Yeah.
Why are you lying?
Not really.
Not really.
Exactly. Bonneville Salt Flats was great, but we could have done a better plan on doing this 6-hour drive to get from there to Bryce Canyon. So we'll show you a tour tomorrow. Good night.